Okay, this gas to electric scooter conversion that I've been doing for over a year. Last year, I've been wanting to start, convert a gas to an electric vehicle. Actually, I thought about cars, I thought about scooters, I thought about bikes, lawnmowers, uh, anything, a dolly. I just wanted to do a conversion. So I was looking on Facebook one day and seen this scooter uh, that was in good shape. I think it was $175. And all the scooters I was looking at, you couldn't find one, even not running, for less than 200, especially here in Toledo, Ohio, where um, basically ain't nobody riding no electric scooters. We just now, a couple years ago, started getting these electric bicycles downtown that you can rent and use. Every time I go down there, I never see nobody riding them. They just sitting there. I've heard a couple of people said they rode them, but basically they not doing it. Uh, as far as scooters, even gas scooters in Toledo, my whole life here, and I'd be around Toledo. I probably seen 3 people riding a scooter, maybe 4 this whole time. And basically the only one I see now in the past year or so is my neighbor and his wife. They got scooters, so I see them riding every once in a while, but it's just nonchalant. And that's on the gas scooter. The electric scooters or electric conversions is just non-existence. So me doing this electric gas scooter to electric, I'm kind of by myself in this, and I'm doing it on my own and learning as I go. Of course, looking at some stuff on eBay. I mean, YouTube, and the hard thing is the parts I need. I really want to get some parts off an existing scooter, like the tire and the swing arm. Basically, it's all I really kind of need. A tire rim with a direct sprocket, so I can run this directly, and with a disc brake on it. Is what I really need. A 10-inch, 10 by 3.5. That's matching the front tire. I can go bigger, fatter, which would be nice. But in Toledo, there's no scooter parts place. I've looked around. I even went to some places where they do mopeds and stuff, and they didn't have the right. Not that they didn't have it, they wasn't there. There's only like 2 or 3 places that carry parts for mopeds and scooters, and they only open whenever they want to open. I've been trying to get it, get there on the days they say they open. Like this one place say he opens on Thursdays. I called, they all week, and he no answer. I went up there and I looked in the window, and he got parts. Matter of fact, I seen the parts that I need. He got a whole bunch of them in there, but I can't get with him. So it's been hard. So I've been forced to go online and just order parts. But I'm at another impasse where I need to get, I need to convert this whole thing. I need to get rid of that whole rear end of the scooter and put in my own swing arm and a new tire rim, so I can have a direct drive, and I'll be there. I'm gonna show you how far I've gotten so far. I do have other videos when I first got the scooter and I was taking it apart to take the old motor off and all of that. And since then, I had stored it in my garage shop, and somebody broke in my shop. They stole all my tools. They stole, the parts that I had that I wanted to keep for the scooter. They stole that, probably won't scrap it or whatever. And so since then, I had to start buying new tools Not to go with the scooter, you know, I do auto work and other things. I've been buying tools and home remodeling just to catch up on that. But I've gotten to the point where I can start back working on this scooter, and this is where I'm at. You know, I done ordered some parts. I done got the motor, you know, the electric motors and things, which I'm finna show you now, in there, and made a battery, the whole shabiggity. But really, I just really need to finally put it all together. This rear swing arm, which I had bought one, but I bought the wrong size, and a new tire and rim, because the old one goes to this whole getup that's on the gas one, and it just ain't working out right. I could, you know, manufacture a new one, fabricate. That's the word. Fabricate a new, put a sprocket on this old tire, put a shaft, brake, disc, all of that. I don't want to do that. I want another tire. So I've been looking around. I think I'm getting there, but let me show you what I got. So let's go out to my shop and just look like what I got and what problem I'm having, you know, and start from there. So what I got is, I made a 48 volt battery, which is 48 volt battery. I'm trying to look at the watts. I'll let you know. But the system, the motor that I got is a 48 volt, 1000 watt electric motor. Not brushless, I don't think. I got the throttle, 48 volt charger, the battery monitor, scooter alarm. Now here's my problem. Since this was a gas and it got this drive clutch train thingy here, my motor not fitting in there right, because it's not fitting the way I want to. So I bought a new swing arm and want to put a new tire, because this is a Chinese gas kind of tire, and I want direct chain drive. It's not fitting all together, so I just want to change that whole situation and put my swing arm on there. But I ordered the wrong swing arm, too little, so I had to order another swing arm. This swing arm cost me $20 on eBay. I need a bigger one, which I've already looked up and found the right one, but I'm gonna have to find another tire also with a sprocket and a disc brake, hopefully brand new, 10-inch 3.5. So that's the deal.